Hello there, gorgeous. It's Elise, your Stella and Dot stylist. I wanted to send this special video to send you an exclusive invite to the Cocktails and Couture style event that is happening this Wednesday, August 28th from 6 to 9:30 p.m. It is an open house affair, so stop by even if for just 5 or 10 minutes. Come on by, get some free cocktails. I might have some Stellatinis ready for you to unwind from your work day. It is Wednesday hump day, so let's come by for some happy hour of style. There is also going to be a free entry into a raffle for showing up. No purchase necessary, and you could possibly win a free piece of jewelry. So how fun is that? And if you bring some girlfriends too, for every girlfriend that you bring along to this event, you will get an additional entry into that raffle. So cool beans. Just for coming out for some drinks and treats, you get to win a possible free piece of jewelry too. Why not? Come by and hang out with me. I'd love to have you over and to celebrate this wonderful month of August. And can you believe that August is over? The summer is flying by. School is going to be back in session very soon. So come by and celebrate with me. Let's just unwind. Let's chat. Let's hang out. Also, if you do make any purchases on Wednesday night, you will also be entered into an additional raffle where you could possibly win the full bank of free hostess credits, which I might tell you normally is anywhere between $200 and up, all the way up to $500, $600, or even $700. For my past hostesses, you know that you earn lots of free goodies when you host a show. So there are definite incentives for you to purchase something so that you can enter into that drawing. And there are also booking incentives where there are free giveaways for booking a show in September. So feel free to touch base with me, and I hope you can make it out and hang out with me. I'd love to see you. I know many of you have been very busy with the summer, going to the shore and just living life, but let's take a break. Let's take a style break together and come on out. I'd love to see you. See you then. Bye.